Hi boys and girls, we're ready for another OG lesson. So let's get started. You can either echo me or read at the same time. Here we go. Fly, brushes, quick, pane. Now this is not like the pane in your arm. This is a window pane, the part that goes around a window. These, use, broke. Remember that silent E makes the vowel say its name. Cube. ING says ing. Thing. Let's go back and read these a little bit smoother, like we're talking, just like we're reading. Strong first grade voice. Here we go. Fly, brushes, quick, pane, these, use, broke, cube, thing. Now right here I see my suffix es, so I know that brush is my base word. And remember, I see the S between two vowels, a vowel sandwich. So it makes that S sound like a Z. Can you read these if you like Superman ice cream? Here we go. Fly, brushes, quick, pane, these, use, broke, cube, thing. How about read these one more time? If you like your ice cream in a cone, not a dish, an ice cream cone with the crunchy part. Here we go. Fly, brushes, quick, pane, these, use, broke, cube, thing. I'm thinking of a word and it's a synonym. It means the same as fast. Quick. I'm thinking of a word and it can be an action word, something that you do, or it can be a noun, like a thing, an insect. Fly. So fly can be an insect, a bug. It can also be something you do, fly in the sky. I'm thinking of a word and it's in the shape of like a box with square sides. Cube, right. I'm thinking of a word and it's what happens if you drop a glass, but it happened in the past. Broke, it broke. This time I want you to shout the word out before I exit out. Brushes, thing, these, broke, pane, quick, cube, fly, use. All right, we have something brand new today, boys and girls. Take a look at these words. Do you notice something in them? They all have G-E, G-E, G-E. That says the sound of J. I call that my J bridge. G-E works together to say a sound of J. We call that the soft G, because usually G by itself with no E is hard. We call it the hard G, G. That's what you learn it as. But when there's an E behind it, it says J, like a J, the soft G. And our key word is huge. Look at this word huge. This E has two jobs. It's making this G soft, J, and it's also hopping over that one consonant to make the U say its name of you. Huge. So sometimes that E does have two jobs. It has two jobs in all these words. So our E is still silent. We don't hear it. But it's going to hop over. It's going to make the G say J. I'm going to give these a J bridge. They're all going to say that soft G sound of J. And it's going to make the vowel say its name. Soft G, soft G. So I want you to echo me or read at the same time. Here we go. Cage. It only happens when we have the G-E together. Huge, rage, page, cage, wage, age, stage, gauge. So our vowel is saying its name. It's got the soft G, sounds like a J. Let's read these again a little bit stronger. Read them with me at the same time. Cage, huge, rage, page, cage. Oh, cage is in there 2 times. Wage, age, stage, gauge. All right, can you read these again? If you like ice cream in a cup with sprinkles. Cage, huge, rage, page, cage, wage, age, stage, gauge. Let's talk about some of these words. So a page, like a page in a book. Wage, that's what you get paid to do a job. When mom or dad goes to work, they get paid a wage. Rage, that's another word for mad or angry. You're full of anger, rage. We shouldn't have rage though. You know, huge means big. All right, let's read this for the very last time. If you like all kinds of ice cream, here we go. Cage, huge, rage, page, cage, wage, age, stage, gauge. Now I see some rhyming words. I see a lot in the same family. Do you notice it? Age, stage, gauge. They're in the age family. Cage, rage, page, cage again, and wage. They all are in the same family except for huge. It's by itself. All right, this time I'm thinking of a word and it's something you might put your pet in sometimes. Cage, right. I'm thinking of a word and it's what when you are in a play or you're going to sing in front of people, you go on a stage, right? I'm thinking of a word and it means the same as big or large. Huge, right? I'm thinking of a word, and remember I said it's when you have a job, it's what you get paid, your wage. All right, this time you shout the word out before I exit out. Age, remember our vowel is saying its name. Huge, gauge, page, wage, stage, rage, cage is in there 2 times. All right, let's find our paper. And today's date. It's Friday, 2/6/21. Here we go. Write me the lowercase letters that say O as in home. How do we get that O sound? O, consonant E. Write me the lowercase letters that say K as in duck. At the end of a 1-syllable word after one short vowel, K is spelled CK. Write me the lowercase letters, and it's a suffix. It comes at the end of the word, and it means right now, and it says ing. Remember what means right now? I-N-G says ing. Write me the lowercase letters that say all, as in ball. Remember what says all? A-L-L. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch, as in chair. Write me the lowercase letters. It's a suffix. It comes at the end and it means in the past. You already did it and it has 3 sounds. Ed, d, or t. in the past you planted or walked. Edie, write me the lowercase letters that say A as in cake. A consonant E. Write me the lowercase letters that say F as in off. Remember that? At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, is spelled FF. Write me the lowercase letters that say sh as in ship. SH. Write me the lowercase letters that say I as in bike. Remember how we get the I consonant E. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch as in catch. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, ch is spelled TCH. Write me the lowercase letters. It's a suffix. It comes at the end of the word, and it can mean more than one or right now. And it says is, and we add it when a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z. Add ES, and you'll please me. Let's get ready to write. Use your tapper hand. Our first word is use. Use. Uh-oh. I hear a Z, but we're not writing a Z. It's a vowel sandwich. Remember that letter S says when it's between two vowels, so I hear the use. What do we need on the end to make the U say U? That silent E, use. Our next word, those. O's. Oh, I hear that Z sound again, but we're not writing it. O's. No Z. Remember, it's that S that's acting like a Z. And our silent E makes the O say O. It's a vowel sandwich, squeezing that S. Our next word, drive. Drive. 4 sounds, but 5 letters. Drive. How do we get the I consonant E. No English word ends in V. Always followed by a silent E. Our last word, itch. Itch. Ooh, 2 sounds, but 4 letters. Itch. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, ch is spelled TCH. Let's go back and read these together. Read them with me. Use, those, drive, itch. Now, at our diamond, we're doing our new sound. Our G, E says J. And let's make that J bridge. It's acting like that J sound. G-E works together to say J. G-E says J. G-E says J. It's called a soft G. We're going to practice that sound J on the back. Let's flip our paper over. Here we go. Our first word is page. Page. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. How do we get the A sound? A consonant E. Page. It's not a J. We write G-E. We need that E to make the A say A and for that J sound. J. It's got 2 jobs that E does. It's important. Page. Our next word, huge. Ready? Huge. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. Huge. How do we get that U sound? Huge. U consonant E. How do we get the J sound? Soft G. Making that J sound, making that U say U. Huge. Our next one, age. Age. Oh, 2 sounds. A consonant E. Age. Our soft G. Age. Our last word, rage, R-age. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. R-age. Remember, to get that soft G, you need the E, and it makes the A say A, rage. Let's go back and read these together. Page, huge, age, rage. All right, we don't have a brand new memory word. We had it yesterday. Remember that W-A has its own sound of wa, water, W-A-T-E-R. Let's skywrite. I want you to look at it. Here we go. W-A-T-E-R says water. W-A-T-E-R says water. W-A-T-E-R says water. Let's spell it as we write it. W-A-T-E-R says water. W-A says wa. W-A-T-E-R says water. W-A-T-E-R says water. W-A-T-E-R says water. Let's look at it 2 more times. Here we go. W-A-T-E-R says water. W-A-T-E-R says water. Can you write it without looking? Water. That E-R says Let's check it. W-A-T-E-R says water. Do you remember how to spell first? You are in 1st grade. Remember that I-R says first. What about that word of people? Let's cheer it. P-E-O-P-L-E says people. P-E-O-P-L-E says people. So we had water, first, people. P-E-O-P-L-E says people. Let's get our paper ready for our sentence. Cops. Is it a telling sentence, an asking sentence, or a sentence with expression? Just listen to the sentence first. That black and white cat is huge. Oh, listen to my voice again. That black and white cat is huge. Ooh, I'm changing the expression of my voice. Okay, let's start with our capital for that word, that. At. Think about that. Start with your uppercase. At. Black. Do we need to tap it? Black. Ooh, I hear a powerful k at the end of a 1-syllable word after one short vowel. K is spelled C-K. Our short vowel says ah. That black and white. Ooh, that color word white starts like whistle. I. How do we get the I sound? I, consonant E. That black and white cat is huge. Is huge. I hear that U sound, huge. Uh-oh, we're not writing a J. Remember, J is that soft G. How do we get the soft G? That would be hug. We need huge. We need that E to make the U say U and to make the G soft. Huge. That black and white cat is huge. Exclamation point today to show expression. Ooh, we didn't count our words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That black and white cat is huge. All right, good job today, boys and girls.